Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from DesignSense. Today we are going to learn about another powerful command of the CADPower, which is the cp_pl state command. This command basically used for find out the statistical information of the polyline, and also it's create the table and export the table into the CSV format. So let's start with this command without any delay. So we are going to apply this command on these two polyline shapes. For apply this command we have the three method. First method, we can use this command from the CADPower menu bar. From here you can select polyline tools. Into the polyline tools, in inquiry you can find out this command as compute details polyline statistics. You can use this command from here. Also you can use this command from the ribbon bar. You can select the CADPower tab, and in the CADPower tab in polyline tool panel you can click on the drop down menu, and here you can find out this command. Also you can apply this command from the shortcut command, which is the cp_pl_state stat. You can use this shortcut key for apply this command. After then press enter key. After applying the command you can see we have this window display polyline statistics. In this window we have multiple options. So first option is the create statistics output file. If you want to create CSV file you can click here. So it will create the CSV file also, and also you can change the location of the CSV file from here. Next option is the table type. In the table type we have two options. First is the text, second is the table object. In the text it will create the simple table without the table formatting in the simple text format, and here another option is the table object. It will create the table with the proper table formatting. So if you want to change the table format you can go to the table style and change their property for changing the format of the table. Next option is the table text height. This option basically used for the text table type. If you want to change the text height in the text table type you can change it from here. In the table object it will automatically change the text height from the table style. Next option is the selection mode. If you want to select the single polyline you can select this option. If you want to select the multiple polylines you can select these options. So I am going to click here and then you need to click OK. Now it will ask for select the entities. So I am going to select these entities and then right click. Then it will pop up the prompt history, and here you can see we have the polyline statistical information. Also we can create the table for this information. So it is asking for the pick start point of the table. So I am going to give the point here. Now you can see our table is looking very small. So we can change the scale factor from here. So I am going to give the scale factor like 25, enter. And now it will ask for the pick point to place the polyline info. So for the place the polyline info I am going to click here, and now you can see we have these two tables and polyline info. And now you can see we have the two tables with the different polyline statistical information. These tables are created for the different polyline. First table is very small because in this you can see we have the less number of the vertices. As you can see this is our green polyline. This have the less number of the vertices. So first table created for this polyline. And another polyline shape have the more number of the vertices. So second table is for the yellow polyline. Okay. So in the first table if we zoom in we have this statistical information related to our polyline. So we have here number of vertices, x, y, z coordinates value of the vertices, segment length, radius, angle, direction. In the direction you can see we have the ST for the straight direction, CW for the clockwise direction. If you have anti-clockwise direction then here you will find the CCW counterclockwise direction, and another info is the related to bearing. So in this you can see we have the radius 277. This radius value for this arc. So this arc radius is showing here. Okay. And here you can see we have the polyline info in which you can find the slope length, longest segment in the polyline, number of vertices, shortest segment in the polyline. So like this we can find out the statistical information of the polyline. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.